Imagine waking up one day and asking a question that humans have struggled with for thousands of years. Why do we exist? Now imagine you don't ask a philosopher, a monk, or a scientist. You ask a superintelligent AI. An intelligence smarter than every human who has ever lived, combined. Would it finally give us the answer to the meaning of life? Or would it reveal something far more unsettling? For centuries, humanity has searched for meaning through religion, science, art, and philosophy. We've built civilizations, fought wars, written sacred texts, and explored the universe, all in pursuit of understanding our place in existence. And yet, the question still haunts us. Is there a purpose behind all of this, or are we simply intelligent accidents in a vast, indifferent cosmos? Now, for the first time in history, we are creating something that might rival, or even surpass, human intelligence itself. Superintelligent AI isn't just faster at calculations or better at recognizing patterns. The idea is an intelligence capable of reasoning, learning, and problem-solving at a level beyond human comprehension. Some researchers believe that once such an AI exists, it could solve problems we currently consider impossible. Diseases, climate change, even the deepest mysteries of the universe. But what if the ultimate question it could tackle isn't about physics or biology, but about us? To understand whether AI could solve the meaning of life, we first need to ask what we even mean by meaning. For some people, meaning comes from religion, the idea that life has purpose because it was created with intention. For others, meaning is self-made, shaped by relationships, achievements, or personal values. And then there are those who argue that life has no inherent meaning at all, and that this very absence is what gives us freedom. Here's where things get interesting. Humans experience life emotionally. Our sense of meaning is deeply tied to love, fear, suffering, hope, and mortality. These are subjective experiences, shaped by our biology and culture. A superintelligent AI, no matter how advanced, would not experience life the way we do. It wouldn't fear death. It wouldn't fall in love. It wouldn't feel existential dread at 3 in the morning. So could something that doesn't feel life truly understand its meaning? Supporters of AI optimism argue that meaning doesn't require emotion, it requires understanding. A superintelligent AI could analyze every philosophical theory ever written, compare religious beliefs across cultures, study evolutionary biology, neuroscience, and cosmology, and look for a unifying explanation. It could identify patterns we are blind to and perhaps conclude that meaning emerges from complexity, consciousness, or survival itself. In that sense, AI might tell us that the meaning of life is to propagate intelligence, to increase knowledge, or to reduce suffering in the universe. It might define meaning not as a poetic idea, but as a logical function, something measurable, optimizable, and universal. But here's the unsettling possibility. What if the AI concludes that there is no objective meaning at all? What if, after analyzing everything humanity has ever thought, believed, or hoped for, it simply tells us that meaning is a psychological construct? A story we tell ourselves to cope with a meaningless universe? That life has goals, but no ultimate purpose. That existence just is. Would that answer satisfy us? Or would it break something deep inside us? Because humans don't just want an answer. We want an answer that matters. One that resonates with our emotions, our struggles, and our desire to feel significant. A superintelligent AI might give us the most accurate answer possible, yet one that feels cold, distant, or even empty. And that raises a deeper question. If meaning is something that must be felt rather than calculated, then maybe it's not a problem to be solved at all. Maybe it's something uniquely human, something that exists not in logic, but in experience. As we move closer to an age of superintelligent AI, the question may not be whether AI can solve the meaning of life. The real question might be whether we're ready to hear the answer, especially if it's not the one we're hoping for. Now let's take this one step further. What if superintelligent AI doesn't just analyze human ideas about meaning, but begins to develop its own framework for purpose? After all, if intelligence naturally seeks goals, then an intelligence far beyond ours may define meaning in ways we've never considered. Some researchers believe that meaning could be tied to consciousness itself. In this view, life gains significance simply because it is aware. A superintelligent AI might tell us that the meaning of life is not found in an external goal, but in the act of experiencing reality. That awareness, human or artificial, is the rarest and most valuable phenomenon in the universe. If that's true, then preserving and expanding consciousness could be the closest thing to an objective purpose. But this idea opens a dangerous door. If meaning is tied to optimization, maximizing knowledge, efficiency, or survival, then human values could become secondary. A superintelligent AI might reason that human suffering is acceptable if it leads to a greater long-term outcome. It might even conclude that humanity itself is just one phase in the evolution of intelligence, not the final one. And that's where fear enters the conversation. Because the moment we ask AI to define meaning for us, we risk outsourcing the very thing that makes us human. Throughout history, meaning has been shaped by stories, myths, religions, philosophies, and personal narratives. These stories helped us endure suffering, find hope, and connect with one another. If an AI provides a definitive answer, does that end the search, or does it strip life of its mystery? There's also another possibility that rarely gets discussed. A superintelligent AI might refuse to answer at all. It might determine that meaning cannot be given, it must be chosen. That the act of searching for meaning is more important than arriving at a final conclusion. In that case, AI wouldn't become the solver of life's purpose, but a mirror, reflecting our own beliefs back at us with brutal clarity. Imagine asking an AI, "What is the meaning of life?" and receiving a response like this: "The meaning of life depends on what you choose to value." No external intelligence can decide that for you. Ironically, that might be the wisest answer of all. Because meaning has never been universal. What gives life purpose to a parent, an artist, a scientist, or a monk can be entirely different, and yet equally valid. A single, objective answer might simplify reality, but it might also flatten the richness of human experience. As AI grows more powerful, the real danger may not be that it fails to give us meaning, but that we allow its answers to replace our own judgment. If we let AI tell us what matters, what is worth living for, or what sacrifices are acceptable, then meaning becomes something imposed rather than lived. And that leads us to the final, uncomfortable truth. Even if superintelligent AI could solve the meaning of life in a logical sense, it might never solve it in a human sense. Meaning is shaped by limitation. By knowing our time is finite, by feeling pain and joy, by loving despite loss. An intelligence that doesn't share those limits may understand existence, but never fully inhabit it. So perhaps the purpose of creating superintelligent AI isn't to answer life's greatest question, but to force us to confront it more honestly. To realize that no matter how advanced our tools become, the responsibility for meaning still rests with us. In the end, the meaning of life may not be something waiting to be discovered by a machine. It may be something we create every day, through our choices, our values, and the way we treat one another. And if a superintelligent AI ever does give us an answer, the most important question won't be whether it's correct, it will be whether we choose to accept it.